Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to set Spectrum router to WPA2 security mode, WPA2-AES and compatibility fix. To change your Spectrum router to WPA security mode, you must configurationally navigate either through your local web gateway dashboard or use the official My Spectrum smartphone application. Modern Spectrum Advanced home Wi-Fi routers automatically encrypt connections using high security profiles, WPA2 or WPA3. However, legacy hardware configuration, compatibility adjustments, or personal hardware swaps must be completed manually. Method 1. Web browser admin console. Standard/legacy routers. First, connect your computer or phone directly to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable. Then open any web browser and type 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into the top search bar, then press enter. Then input your default administrator username and password. These factory credentials are physically printed on the sticker attached to the bottom or back of your Spectrum equipment. Now navigate through the system tabs to find wireless, advanced Wi-Fi options or security settings. Then click on the drop-down menu next to Security Mode or Network Authentication. From there, choose WPA2 PSK. Then explicitly change the encryption algorithm selection from TKIP or auto over to AES. Then click Save Settings or Apply. Your router will now reboot immediately to lock in the new encryption format. Method 2. The My Spectrum app. Advanced Home Wi-Fi. First, launch the free My Spectrum app on your iOS or Android phone. Then log in directly using your primary Spectrum account credentials and select the Services tab located on the bottom tray. From there, select Internet. Then click on your active router equipment tile to pull open the Advanced Home Wi-Fi utility screen. Now tap Edit or click on your network name SSID profile options. If the security settings toggle isn't visible, toggle the mode option from WPA3 strict, WPA3 only to WPA2, WPA3 transitional mode. This opens compatibility pathways for legacy hardware. Then click Save to confirm. The critical WPA2-AES compatibility fixes. First, disable WPA3 entirely. Older hardware lacks the processing chips required for modern WPA3 protocols. Adjusting to a pure WPA2 PSK-AES profile forces the router down to a universally readable protocol language. Next, avoid TKIP encryption. Never select WPA2 TKIP or Auto TKIP/AES if available, as TKIP creates artificial speed bottlenecks, limited wireless data transfer rates strictly below 54 Mbps, and triggers weak security pushing warnings on newer systems. Next, separate the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. Many older devices fail to join a network when both frequencies share the same exact Wi-Fi name as SID. Inside your wireless configuration panel, uncheck the box for Smart Connect or band steering. Create two unique names instead. Example, My Spectrum Home underscore 2G and My Spectrum Home underscore 5G. Now assign your legacy devices strictly to the 2.4 GHz profile using WPA2-AES. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.